Okay, guys, we decided to make our generator charge the Tesla. I mean, that's probably 75% of the reason why I bought it. 50-50 actually. I needed to charge the batteries on my electric mountain bike. So anyways, what we did is we bought one of these standard repair the end of the cord plugs, and what we did is we took a 14 gauge wire and we bridged it from the neutral to the ground. Okay, so from here to here. Now we're going to end up putting this back together. So you're here live with me. Now please don't, we're going to try this today. You're going to see if it works. Everything's all set up, ready to go. And please don't sue me if it doesn't work, or if you try it and it burns your car up, it burns your house down or something. Please don't come back and sue me for my YouTube proceeds, because I don't have any YouTube proceeds, so you won't be able to get anything. Do this at your own risk, gentlemen. There are some generators that are have a built-in bridge with a resistor. This is basically the same thing, you know what I'm saying? But anyways, that's it. We're going to tighten up these screws too. I just hope it works, because like I said, that's why I bought this generator. Actually, I bought the generator way before I even had an electric bike, to be honest with you. So anyways, that's it. I'm going to show you how to do it here in 2 seconds, and it should work like a charm. So let's take this light with us. Picked one hell of a day to do this stuff. It's a little bit rainy today. We are going to be able to see it firsthand. We'll use this for extra lighting. What you're going to do is take this beast and plug it in right there. Okay. Then we're going to grab our I've got to take this car to the middle of Idaho. Salmon River Trail, actually. So I have to be able to charge it enough to get me to the next supercharger. And I guarantee you I will test this thing many times before I do that. To make sure that it works. I will run it extended periods of time sometimes to make sure that it works. But anyways, we're about to do this test right here in front of you. Here's the standard household plug, which plugs in right there. Okay, now we're going to fire this beast up. We got to turn it on, vent the tank, and it should fire right up right now. Let's choke it. Charge. We take this out, it turns red. charging at 12 amperes. So it's doing exactly what it's supposed to be doing. We do have it turned up, the throttle. We've got it out of energy mode, energy saving mode. So the generator is running as hard as it can. I wanted to show you how much time. I got 72%. I got it set for 80. So to get 8% charge, it's going to take 4.5 hours to get 8% charge. Now, 8% would be the equivalent of around 20 miles. So that's not bad. Maybe a little bit less than that. That's just your car without towing anything or anything like that, or carrying a bike rack on the back. I'm just giving you a generalization. We're gonna let this run for a little while, but it's filling my garage full of fumes too. Beautiful, beautiful day today. Just charging. All we did is trick the Tesla computer into thinking that there is a sufficient ground on this generator. 99.999% of the time, you're not going to have a problem. So it's actually the best way to charge your car is a very small current. A 12 ampere current is the ultimate dream for recharging your car. It's the best thing for your battery. All right, guys, I just want to show you that this works. You're looking at a happy camper because I can be in the middle of nowhere. I can just arrive. I know I'm going to stay there for at least maybe a day, maybe 2 days. I'm going to be riding my mountain bike or my dirt bike, and we're going to run that generator for probably 24 hours. And in 24 hours, we should get maybe 75, 85 miles. And that will get me to the next charge station for sure. That's it for this video.